What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling program. The market had another red week this week. This is the 7th week in a row of the S&P 500 falling. It has been a crazy year so far, and over the past month or so, we've seen quite a lot of selling pressure. So clearly a lot of stocks are down. We saw a lot of the big retail stocks like Walmart, Target, Costco, and other ones sell off significantly this week and even over the past couple weeks. So with that being said, let's get right into this week's recap. There have not been any new updates with the swing plays, mainly because implied volatility is high. And when implied volatility is high, the people who are buying options kind of get screwed over a lot of times because the options are overpriced and the market makers are pricing in a lot more volatility in those options contracts than what's actually likely to be realized in the market. So basically, if we scroll down and let's say we go to, Beyond Meat's pretty good. So if we go to Beyond Meat, right now the stock's at like $24, and while it's very low, we can see that the implied volatility is around 150%, which is extremely high. That's basically just conveying that the market makers are expecting in a ton of volatility, and there will be a ton of volatility, but most likely there will not be enough volatility to justify buying options when the market makers are pricing in such a large move like that. So swing plays have been pretty scarce lately because of that. We don't want to overpay for any options, so there have not been any new updates there. The bot had a pretty bad week, in my opinion. Last week it was pretty awesome, but this week kind of sucked. We could see on Monday the play popped for around 10%. On Tuesday the play popped for around 14%. So those plays were okay, but I wouldn't even call them good. Wednesday and Thursday were definitely dud plays, and then Friday was a pretty good play with Walmart. It basically caught the bottom with Walmart, which was awesome to see. Walmart fell off a ton, like I said, and it signaled out calls right around here. So that was pretty good, but like I said, honestly, the other plays kind of sucked. The bot does very, very well, but it does have losing weeks, just like all strategies do. Last week was a really great week when basically every single play exploded except for the Wednesday play. But yeah, I mean, it definitely has its losers sometimes, and I would say this week was definitely a losing week. But for the most part, the bot does pretty dang good. So if we move on to the premium selling plays, they're doing amazing as usual. The premium selling tab is amazing, especially in this type of market. Everyone's freaking out. There's a lot of fear in the markets. A lot of stocks are at low levels. And with that being said, a lot of people are buying up the insurance contracts on these stocks, aka put options. And when that happens, a lot of times not only do these put options get more expensive than they should be, but also we have low stock prices right now. So it's kind of like the perfect mix for short put options because the stock prices are low and implied volatility is high. So it's like everything you could ask for as a put writer in the options market. So definitely check out the premium selling channel. It's one of the best things to do in this type of market. But overall, the market is very volatile right now, and it will likely continue to be volatile over the next coming weeks. So definitely consider shorting some puts and be prepared for more volatility. And thank you guys so much for watching.